This conference will now be recorded.
Hello.
Hi, this is Swati.
Yeah. Hi, Swati.
Hi.
Uh, yeah. Hi, Ishan.
Yeah, hi there.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good evening. Or
Good morning.
Good
yeah.
morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Today here we are gathered for a Tableau demo, and we are
Mhm.
going to take small steps, and like we are going to learn about like what is the Tableau, why we are using the Tableau, and different types of Tableau. So let me share my screen. First of all, Swati, I wanted to let you know, like, what is expecting from these sessions regarding the Tableau.
Uh, According to topic wise, I think I have a brief knowledge on all the topics. It's not
Mm-hmm.
like extensive knowledge, but I don't have any kind of practical knowledge.
Okay.
So it will be great if I'll give you an example. See, I
Mm-hmm.
know what is a Tableau online and Tableau server,
Right.
the definitions that I find online. But I
Mm-hmm.
don't know how they look, what they'll do. I
Right.
didn't use my own
Yeah,
eyes.
like we are already like we are publishing the our reports onto the server, and like how to create a groups, how to create a users, and like
Yeah,
how to give the user security to
it,
our dashboards.
because I always get confused between those two. Those two, whenever I read online,
Hmm?
it looks similar. I don't know. It sounds similar because one
Which one? Which one? Tableau Online
Tableau
and Tableau
online and
Server.
Tableau.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. So like
Yeah,
like Tableau Online is on the cloud. So
hmm,
they are providing us like now we have a Tableau desktop. So
hmm.
Tableau desktop is installed in our system,
Yes,
but
yes,
Tableau Online is on their server. So like that, whenever we are creating the Tableau Online, like we purchase Tableau Online from the Tableau. So what we need to do, like just we need to sign in, and we need to create Tableau reports. So their look and feel is same as like a Tableau desktop,
yes.
but like whenever we need to publish, so we can publish from there also. So similarly, like Tableau server, on that Tableau server they are providing the Tableau Online. So with the help of that one we can create the reports and we will publish. I can show that Tableau Online also and Tableau server also in our sessions.
What my main problem is because I don't have access to many things. So I don't know exactly the functionality difference, how they work.
Hmm.
So that's what I'm more concerned about.
Hmm.
Like the practical thing. It will be
Yes.
great if you can, give us challenges with quizzes or something. At least
Right,
if we
right, right.
and do it completely, at least we'll try. By trying, we'll know more, at least
Right,
about
right.
the topics.
Yes,
Because
right. Like we will see a lot of examples related to the Tableau, and like first, like our goal is to like learn the Tableau functionality. Once we learn the Tableau functionality, then we will see examples, different examples that help we will create with the help of Tableau calculations, table calculations we have. So when we are using and developing our logic with the help of that Tableau calculation fields, then we will like achieve our goal. I think
yeah,
that one. Yeah.
yeah. First we should.
And yeah, first we need to learn about all the functionality related to the Tableau, and
Yeah.
then we create some widgets of the Tableau, and then like it's like functionality difference between that Tableau Online, Tableau server, and how to publish on the server. And then we need to give the row level security to
Mm-hmm.
our data. And on the server side, like I have access, like for my organization I have access to the Tableau server, so I can show you like how to create a groups, how to create users, and again how to create their projects. So we'll
Yeah.
see that one also, so that
And I
like
have a doubt
hmm?
regarding the Tableau testing. I heard it many times, but I don't know it's a thing. Like it's a separate job thing, or it's included in the whole profile, or
Regarding what, like Tableau testing.
testing. Yeah, I heard they have to test the reports. I don't
Ha,
know.
yes. So as we are a Tableau developer, like we are doing the unit testing of the reports. So
Okay.
whenever we are developing our reports, in the some organizations having only the tabular reports format. Like you can say in the Excel sheet we have some columns,
Mm-hmm.
and under that columns we have some records. So
Mm-hmm.
they need to check their records with their application, like they need to check their Tableau reports with their database.
Okay.
So in that case, uh, in Tableau developer, what Tableau developer do? Unit testing, like just like roughly Tableau developer need to check our like our record with the database record, or our record with the application.
So there is
Like hmm?
job designation like Tableau testing. Is it?
No, no, no. Like I didn't see the job profile like Tableau testing till now,
Mhm.
because all the organization need the Tableau developer only, like a BI developer.
Okay.
So that BI developer, like BI developer itself having like Tableau developer itself having the Tableau tester. Like
Okay.
we need to test our reports.
Mhm.
Like there is a no like testing Tableau testing profile we have. Like I like till now I
Generally,
didn't. Hmm?
yeah, till now you didn't see like
Yeah, I didn't
we
heard about
check
Tableau
the
tester profile.
we we create the widgets, the reports,
Hmm.
and we test that data and with the database data by querying the database with SQL.
Yes, right. Generally, I do like this one only. Like whenever I'm creating the widgets on
Mhm.
the Tableau and publish on the server, then I just go inside to the SQL server, and then I manually check, like writing the query, and with the help of query, like which logic I used in the Tableau, that same
Mhm.
logic I wrote into the database query.
Okay.
So just I compare that data, like from the
Oh,
database and our visual in the Tableau, so that like if the data matches, then I'll go forward to the production. I'll
oh,
publish that reports to the production. So that
oh.
way, like I did the testing of our widgets.
Yeah, I heard somewhere in the online like there is a Tableau testing, so I was confused. Like,
Hmm,
is
hmm,
there
hmm.
a separate
No,
position
no,
or
no.
is yeah.
No, like there is a no profile like that one,
Mhm.
but we need to test these reports, because like sometimes what happened,
Mhm.
we wrote the logic, but that logic gives a different result. Like
Result.
yeah, like it may be wrong result. So we need to check that result with the SQL data,
Okay.
whether it is like example like a divided by b. So in
Mhm.
the Tableau sometimes it will give us the wrong results, and in the SQL, like a divided b maybe given a different result. So we need to check why this result getting the different result. So
Okay.
might be there is a decimal point, like it may convert it into the decimal, and SQL is giving the in the full,
Okay.
like on it dot no, full amount, like full sales. So
Oh.
that is the like decimal point difference we have. So at that time we need to check what user required, user required in the decimal points or not, like that one. This is the one example.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Tableau Online and
Hmm.
Tableau Online is maintained by Tableau.
Yes.
Tableau server is maintained by own organization.
Uh, See, Tableau Online, we are purchasing the
Rights.
product cube of the Tableau Online, but that Tableau Online, all the data is saved onto the Tableau's cloud space.
Okay. Mm.
But in whenever we are publishing on the Tableau server, then that Tableau server is purchased by the specific organization.
Oh,
So,
so
whole the
the
data which is
deciding
uh, hmm, hmm,
is inside the company.
yes, inside the company.
Oh, okay.
So our whole data will be saved onto the Tableau server, and which is onto the we are installing that Tableau server in
Mm.
one of the system which is having a large amount of space, like 1
Yeah.
TB, 2 TB, 3 TB, like 100 TB. So we have installed our Tableau server on that system, and then we will provide the access of that server to the whole our developers, so that
Mhm.
they can access the server and just publishing the report, that server is installed in one system.
Okay.
Yeah, so so that a system admin can handle that, or Tableau admin can handle
Mm.
that system.
Oh, okay.
So that is important, because we install that Tableau server on the system, so it is
Mm.
like very powerful system. So all the access they provided to the system, and like we as a we developer,
Mm.
they provided us separate access, like publishing access, only creating access, viewing access. So
Okay.
user, like as a developer we can publish, but as
Mm.
a end user
Yeah.
only can see the data. So that way.
Different permissions are given to different people.
Yes, yes.
Whether they
Also,
can read or they
yeah.
can write, like they can change the access permissions or something.
Hmm, hmm, hmm. Also, developer can give the access as a row level security. Like if we created the data, and
Mm-hmm.
we created the data for the multiple cities, A, B,
Mm-hmm.
C, and we need to give, we need to show Pune city. Example is that. So we need to show, for some people we need to show specific city data only. So we need
Okay.
to give the permission to only the three people can see the data related to the city Pune. So
Mm-hmm.
like that we can use the given the row level security, provide the row level security to the user. Some data we need to give the access to the some team only, because in the organization we have very secure data.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we need to provide the security to our data. Organization takes very seriously in this matter. They have their own data, and they do not want to share this data to the any other. So team wise, we create a group in the Tableau server, so that we can share our data to the specific teams also.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and we can share our reports, like Tableau visualizations, to the user with the help of link, URL link, or we can create one page, and under that one you can create some URL, so that one URL will takes to the user, and with the help of that one URL they can handle multiple reports. We'll create that also, that page also, so that you can easily understand what we are
Oh,
talking about that one.
yeah.
Hmm.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah. Is there any another questions?
Um,
But I'm sure, whenever we are as we are going to the next sessions,
yeah.
then you will learn about the small things in the
Yes.
Tableau. Tableau provides small things, so we need to understand this one. Maybe we are not using that things in the day-to-day life, but
Mm.
sometimes that things we need to understand, and
Oh,
when the scenarios comes, we will use that.
So Swapnil,
options.
sorry to interrupt you here.
Yeah,
Uh,
sure.
so I have a basic knowledge of Tableau, probably by learning through some YouTube videos.
Hmm,
Could be
hmm.
like a bar chart, the histograms, the trend lines, and
Okay.
trying out the forecasting. But
Hmm.
it is just me, trying to play around with the data. Uh, but I'm looking for opportunities in BI analyst track.
Hmm, hmm, hmm,
So with SQL and Tableau here, I'm learning SQL right now online,
hmm, hmm.
and
Okay.
was wondering how depth of Tableau would you be covering to enter such
Yes. Yeah, yeah, guys. In our sessions, we are first. There is like we will divide our sessions in the two part. Like in the first sessions, we are completely learn about the Tableau, like all the from the beginning to advance. Okay, and once we complete our Tableau sessions, then we can move towards the SQL sessions. So we'll see some basic queries and how to create the tables and how to use the joins and like what is the primary key, unique key, foreign key, and all the concepts like related to the interview point of views. So like you will understand like what is actual the database. And as a Tableau developer, first of all, like organization want like database, like candidates should know the database. Because if we know the Tableau, whole the Tableau, but you don't know how to retrieve the data from the database, then like organization doesn't want like that guy. So that's why we learn about the SQL also. So that's why like whenever you will learn about the SQL, so like we learn here the MS SQL server, like Microsoft SQL server. So you will I'm sure that you will learn about that one. So like how to fetch the data and write a query, multiple type of query. Like there is like we can write like using the join, having, where clause, and sub queries are there. So like with the help of that one we can proceed.
and what is the timeline for this for the like course agenda
35 to 40 hours.
for both of them together?
Yes, like we will see like SQL, like basics of SQL, not a whole part like the store procedure, trigger views. Because as a Tableau developer, we need a like basics of the
Okay,
SQL. So I'll cover the basics of the SQL only, not whole the things.
okay, okay, got it.
Okay,
From the
but I'm
Ishan question, what is the difference between BI analyst and Tableau developer?
Uh,
under. Mm-hmm.
yeah, please go ahead. Yeah.
Huh. Okay. So BI analyst means under the BI business intelligence, we have
Mhm.
multiple BI tools. Like in the organization, there is a BI profile we have. So under
Mhm.
the BI, there is a like a Power BI, Tableau, ClickSense, Sisense, so SSRS. So these are the multiple BI tools we have. Also,
Mhm.
we have the SSIS, like SQL Server Integration Services. So like these all we can included, we can say that BI developer. But some organization can give the profile like a Tableau. Instead of Tableau developer, they can give BI developer also. But BI developer in the sense like who knows like multiple BI tools.
Uh,
BI means like business intelligence.
so
BI developer.
they let tell you like we need Tableau is the primary tool,
Hmm, hmm,
then
hmm,
it's the same thing.
hmm. Yeah,
Uh,
sorry, come again.
if if the BI analyst the profile it says we need the primary tool as Tableau, it's also a
Yes,
BI.
yes. Right,
So
right.
if that says we want Tableau, then it's the same, the Tableau developer and BI.
Company will advertise like we need a Tableau developer. So, and if the company announces like we need a BI developer, they will mention we need like a Tableau developer. We need like in the profile of BI, we need a Tableau preferred, like that
Uh,
one.
Actually,
So
along
they.
with that, along with that, they require probably medium to advanced level knowledge of SQL
Hmm,
or
hmm, hmm.
any other language along with the BI tool.
Right, 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 right. They want like SQL knowledge.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
like I am suggesting that like whenever we are learning the Tableau, you can just learn the basics of the SQL also, so that like you will pick up the SQL quickly after our Tableau sessions.
Okay. I was actually looking forward, to, I think as Swati said, uh, like the basic things in Tableau is easy, but once we get those complex questions,
Hmm.
that's when it gets difficult, I feel. So, if we can practice on a huge data, could be we can retrieve the data through SQL or anything like that, and
Mm-hmm.
try out some assignments and all. That will be helpful to practically
Yes.
get some knowledge on it.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, 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 right, right, right. We'll see that all the things, but we need to start from the basic things, right, Ishan?
Yeah, sure.
Like because like Swati also need like the all the basic things, so we will cover step by step. So don't worry
Sure,
about
sure.
that. Also, like we will see each and everything, small thing we covered. So you will also like you will revise the basic concept, and also you will learn more things
Okay.
from our sessions.
Okay.
Yeah. So uh, uh, are you able to see my screen? So
Yes.
see,
oh,
just like I can share, like I created some widgets on the Tableau. Like you can see, there is a body chart. We have like we have heads. So our heads is like differentiated between like see the lifestyle, entertainment, gaming, fitness, medical. So that like head is used in which part in how many percentage. Like I created, see, whenever we are clicking here, then it is showing us like see lifestyle 1% is showing, entertainment 89% showing, gaming, fitness, medical. So also like why like in the Tableau, whenever we are creating the dashboard, we need a story. So that like that is the meaningful dashboard we have. Like whenever we are creating the any dashboard, we need a story to our dashboard. So that's why like user understand what we created. So like you can see many like whenever I'm uh, just hover onto the head, then we can see on the tooltip you can see like all the like gaming, medical, fitness, how many percentage we used. So like that way we will create the widgets. You can also see the Sankey chart we have. So this is like different like high advantage charts we have. So and there is like parliament charts, and you can say, so this is the football World Cups, and just created one funnel charts. So this type of charts we will see like these are the KPIs. So step by step we'll learn like all the like how to create the funnel charts and KPIs, and also like these body charts. So these are the advanced charts we will see. And also like as per like interview perspective, we'll take the we'll take the questions. So brainstorm. So we'll achieve our target or goal. Like whenever we are looking forward to the questions, then you will easily understand like what will the requirement from the clients and what they want actually.
Okay.
oh.
Yeah.
So, like, is it creating, I mean, publishing on Tableau Public is useful anyway for the interview? Like, it's like you can add it in your resume or something, or it's not
Yes.
necessary.
Like in the initial stage, we will do our all the widgets on the Tableau Public. And for the Tableau desktop, we have 15 days trial version, 14 or 15 days maybe. So like we can use the that Tableau desktop in the last 14 days, so that like you can understand, and we are fetching the data from the database. So also if your any relatives is in the college, you can take their college ID, and we will like Tableau provides 1 year version free Tableau desktop version to the college students. if your relatives, any relatives having in the college, you can take the college ID, and then we will like do the steps which Tableau provides, and we will get the key for 1 year. So do you have any like relatives, Swati
I
and
think
Ishan?
I I
Uh,
I just graduated, so I have my own card.
Hmm?
I just graduated a month ago, so I have a student ID with me.
Okay, and on the student's ID, like there is a date mentioned.
No, there is no date mentioned on it.
Okay, we'll check if they're they'll provide the key or not. And Swati, for you?
for me, I actually sharing with my sister. I think I
Hmm?
have like three months or something left on
Uh,
the
what
exp.
what 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 is
I
sharing?
already had it installed, so I think
Okay,
it
okay,
expires
okay,
in like
great.
3 months or so. So
Okay,
I'm
great.
sharing
Like
with her. So
so you have Tableau desktop installed in your system.
yes, I have.
Huh. Okay, good. And Ishan, do you have the Tableau desktop or not?
Yeah, I have the tablet desktop, but I have the 14-day trial. I think it's almost over. Probably one more
Oh,
day to go.
okay, okay, okay.
Almost,
So,
I think Ishan once, I think because my sister, she had the same issue, like she didn't have any kind of date on the ID.
Uh-huh.
After that, so they asked like for the supporting documents or something. She sent something back for the
hmm.
supporting documents.
Yes,
So,
like we need the date, like from where to where we are doing the graduation, so that's why.
Can we just Photoshop it and add a date on it? Expiry?
ah.
No, I'm serious about that.
I didn't try like that one,
Okay.
but like I know like if the date is mentioned on our ID card, then they will send us the key for 1 year.
Okay. Okay. I will try that today maybe.
Yeah,
You
okay.
you just try. I think if it wants something else, then you can do something about it. But now for now, at least you can try and see it works.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, like you can try whatever on the Photoshop or, but now like we will try and we will learn the sessions on the Tableau Public,
Okay.
and the data come from the Excel sheets we will take.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So we'll cover all the topics which we see, all the topics we will cover. These are the topics, and more calculated fields will take there is like some short like calculated field, but we'll take more calculated fields, and as per visual comes, like there is a lot of logics we will use to create a widgets.
And one more request, like
Hmm?
if you are teaching us some kind of topic, and in that topic, in your career, even in the starting beginning of your career,
Hmm.
if you find like any challenges regarding the topic, it will be great if you can share with us so that we.
Yes, 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 sure, 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 sure. Sure, sure. We'll see each and every experience which I feel I'll share with that one also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it will be easy whenever whenever I don't know some function and how I approach that way to create that widgets or that like logic, then like how the logic will come. So that will step by step we'll cover that one. Like we'll see and see all the logics. Yeah.
So
Even
after these classes,
from you, we'll know more, like we'll know how to approach the problem. At least we'll try to solve it.
Yes. Like
Yeah.
whenever first of all whenever we will see the problem, then we already seen the concept, so that
Mhm.
so then we will first we will learn the concept, and then we will face the problem. So like your idea is also comes how to solve this problem. So you can think about that one, and then we'll discuss, and we will help to we'll solve that problem. But like,
Will we be able to
mhm,
take the certifications after these classes, like the three certifications, right, of Tableau?
yeah, hmm?
Like, will we be qualified with in terms of knowledge to take the certifications, Tableau certification?
Yes, 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 yes. You can easily go with the that Tableau certification. That is the initial level Tableau certification we have. So you can go with that one. Like whenever we will complete the session, then Tableau specialist. There is a Tableau specialist certification. So whenever you will see the syllabus of the Tableau specialist, then you can realize that we will cover all the syllabus which they provided for the Tableau specialist. So you
Okay,
can
got
also
you.
go with that one, Tableau specialist.
That is the topmost certification.
No, this is a primary level certification.
Okay, okay,
I think
Yeah.
you should get through the primary level to do the top level.
Yes, right. Hmm? Sorry, Swati.
No, I was just telling Ishan, like you have to get through the primary
Ha ha
level.
ha.
yeah,
Right,
yeah,
right, right.
yeah,
Right.
yeah.
And guys, like whenever you can whenever we learn about the Tableau, then you can also whenever we are learning, you can ask any questions, so that we'll discussing and learning the more topics. So
Okay.
whenever you will have some questions, then you can ask.
Okay,
So in that
sounds
case,
good.
we will learn about that one.
Sounds good, Swapnil. So, what is the suitable timing for all of us? Is this good?
So this is the same so like 9 to 10:30 IST, like same time. Is it okay for you guys?
It's
Yeah,
good for
this
me.
works. Yeah.
So this time, like every day, this time we'll meet. Okay.
So it's
Yeah.
9 to 10:30?
Yes.
You
No,
said
like 9 to 10,
9 to
9
10.
p.m. to 10 p.m. IST.
Okay. Yeah.
Can we do maybe an hour and a half sessions a day if that's
Uh,
possible?
Otherwise, like if
Hmm?
if you're doing like 1.5 hour session, for me it will be better like if you do half an hour before. Like now you're doing 9 to 10, right?
Yes.
It will be great from 8:30 to 10. If it is an hour and a half session, if
Actually,
only hour
actually,
session,
hmm?
then can you do it like on weekends, Saturday and Sunday? Can you do it like extra 1 hour or
Yes,
something?
right. Like we can do like every day we can take the station up to like 9 to p.m. 9 to 10 p.m. and in the Saturday and Sunday we will take 2 hours, 2 hour session.
Okay.
Okay, sure, sure.
In the Saturday Sunday I can take much more time. I'll give much more time through the sessions. No
Okay,
problem. But in the weekdays I can just give 1 hour.
Yeah, we understand. Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, so guys, I'm assure that we will cover all the sessions and we will cover all the interview perspective, um, problem solving questions, all the questions, and we'll solve the multiple widgets and multiple logic provided, like multiple questions which you face the more challenges in the sessions, coming sessions.
Okay.
And also we'll see like a data warehouse concept, so you will understand like actual what is the database, and tables, views, and how to like join these tables and creating the tables in the database. So you'll understand like a full like Tableau developer, like when you're some people like only learn about only the Tableau, but when the organization as per organization thinking, organization thinking, like for the Tableau developer, like SQL is must, because whenever we are retrieving the data from some database, so why we are hire only the Tableau, right? If one person is know about SQL also and Tableau also, so that person will only hire by the organization, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
we should know about like basics of the SQL, like at least how to retrieve the data from the SQL into the Tableau.
Okay.
So that thing also we will learn.
So
Okay,
we
great.
are not making any changes to the database, right? Like we don't join and bring the data. We just bring the data and join in the Tableau, right?
Yes, yes. That
Yeah.
thing we need only as a per Tableau developer. Like as we are not a database developer, so database admin will only provide us the read access. So that like we just need to like develop the query on that already presented data.
Just to
Either
test, like
yeah, either not like update the records. Instead of update the records, we need only fetch the records from the database. So that is the main thing
Mhm.
as a like as a Tableau developer. We need to fetch data and then apply some logics and create a visuals on that presented data.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So you'll be giving us assignments, right, Swapnil, like after every class? Uh,
Yeah, someday like we'll give the assignments, and like someday if there is a no things like give the assignments, then we will not give the assignment. But like each and every like some topics having really wanted the assignments, so we will give and we will provide the assignments, so that like whenever our sessions over, then you can also think about that questions.
okay,
So
sure.
it is easy to understand the concepts.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, yeah. Mm, and another thing, so like there is resume preparation and case studies. We'll see each and every sessions will give the case studies to solve.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then, and also Swati and Ishan, you can just like download the Tableau Public for now.
Okay.
Yeah, and Swati, you have Tableau desktop already, so like don't need to install the Tableau public. And for and Ishan, you like your like Tableau desktop is going to expire tomorrow or
Yeah.
maybe like yeah.
Yeah. I'll try with the student ID. If it works, well and
Hmm,
good.
hmm, hmm, hmm,
Otherwise,
hmm.
I can get another 14-day trial with a different email ID.
I think in one system
Oh, I can't
there is
do it.
only one. Yeah, no, like in one system we only do one time.
Okay. Okay. I'll try
Yeah,
something out. Okay. Yeah.
yeah, okay. Or like
so
for now, like we'll do on the
junior,
tablet. Hmm?
I was asking Ishan like he doesn't have any kind of junior's ID or somebody's.
Hmm.
Actually, I'm just gonna try with the Photoshop thing. Actually, I think that's gonna work.
Okay,
So
okay, okay.
yeah,
You can try on that one.
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, yeah. I'm gonna do that probably. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, great, great, guys.
Okay. Thank you,
So
Swapnil, for the session.
yeah, we will meet same time tomorrow.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Great day ahead.
You
Thank you,
too.
guys.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Bye.
Bye.